channel. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Ashley Carla. If you're new, I do lifestyle and travel vlogs on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're new and become part of the family. It is what day is it? It's Wednesday morning. I'm eating breakfast, a late breakfast, but at least I'm having breakfast because y'all already know, right? This is yogurt. This is Greek yogurt and cereal, but it's like a granola cereal. I'll show you guys what cereal it is. Hold on, let me get it and show you guys. So this is the cereal that I had in there. I usually go for like a granola type cereal. That's just what I like. Some people think that's boring because most people kind of go towards the more sugary kind of cereals, right? Like the Captain Crunch and stuff like that. I don't usually buy those things. I usually buy cereals like this. I'm kind of I feel like I'm a lot more healthy than the average person, like in terms of the choices that I make in terms of food. So I usually get like cereals like this. This one is one of my faves. My dad actually put me on this couple years back. And then I put a little bit of this in there. So yeah, you guys know I usually go for granola cereals, things like that with nuts and fruits. That's just what I like. So I put some in here with some Greek yogurt. This is actually a guilty pleasure to eat because it's healthy, but it tastes really good, especially if you add like some fruits in there. And I'm thinking to actually cut some apples and put them in there because I tried it with grapes and it was really good. But yeah, that's what I'm eating for breakfast. And it's not like a super heavy breakfast. It's kind of light, which is fine for me, and it's easy to eat, which works out for me because sometimes you just want something you can whip up quickly, and that's something I can do quickly and make sure that I actually eat breakfast. I've been in the gym for like 2 days now, and I can already see a difference in my body. And it's not that I'm surprised because I usually, whenever I work out, I lose weight very fast. And even when you guys saw I did the juice cleanse like a few months ago, I lost weight really fast. I typically lose weight fast depending on what I'm doing. So since I wasn't really like working out and stuff like that, I wouldn't be losing weight, and I wasn't eating properly. But now that I'm like eating more consciously, like more meals a day and having like healthier alternatives and then working out, my weight usually would fall off really quickly. But I wasn't really sure if it would happen this time around because of how much weight I had put on, and just thinking that my metabolism is probably like hella slow now. So I didn't know what to expect, if it would be like the same like a few years back, like when you're younger. I'm acting like I'm old, but you guys know what I mean. So you can actually see a difference in my body already. So that means that I'm losing weight fast because it's only been 2 days. So by the end of the week, I'll probably, yeah, I lose weight fast, guys, like I do, and I put on weight fast as well. So that's usually my issue where my weight is concerned, is like I fluctuate a lot because of how easy it is to lose and gain for me. But anyways, that's not important. It's like after 11 now, and I'm gonna do some work quickly because me and mom are supposed to head out to country, but our country is not like an next parish. It's actually in the same parish as us, but we're gonna head out there to do a handover thing. I'll find out from her if it's okay for me to tell you guys details about what it actually is, and I will carry you guys along with me as well. So I'm gonna do some work, and then later when you guys see me, we'll be heading out to country. So you going to tell the people why we're here today?
Yes, guys, I'm actually here on behalf of my uncle who lives in Canada, and the rest of families in Canada who are donating some computers to this school in Eccleston, Makeover, St. Catherine, and we are here to hand over these computers today.
You sound like you're in an interview, but you're prepared for the media though. I love that for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Very prepared. Give us an outfit, please. I dressed her, guys. This is her outfit for today. Isn't she so fab? I love the top. I love the flowy part, but the top is, the sleeves are cute. Okay, give them a 360, mommy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, that means y'all don't want to know what I have on. I did not dress up. I just literally put on a dress. I did not dress up. But I had to make sure she dressed up because I'm like, you have to take pictures and you're going to be on media. So girl have to look nice. Yeah? Yeah. So guys, my mom's side of family is from St. Catherine, the hills of St. Catherine. So the school is some of my family went to this primary school, so they do the donation. Hi uncle. Huh? Yes. How are you?
Not too bad.
Look how it is.
Oh. Hey, I made it to the vlog.
To me?
We're here.
You know we're here.
Miss somebody and Ashley, I'm going to cry on them. Sure.
Hi. Now what? This is the old post office. Yeah, the police station's over there, the old church. And this is the old post office. This is in Guanamaville, in St. Catherine. Looks very creepy. Looks very creepy.
What, the cricket?
No, the post office. She lived here? Oh no, this part? Oh, this is a house, yeah. And then this part was the post office. And mom said you used to put your mail in that place right there, so. So now what never there at the top? Well, she live in there? Does she have to live in there and do all of that?
No, you work there and you got place to live. You're the post mistress.
Wow, that's so interesting. The post mistress.
She had her house down off Collabs Road.
Okay.
Got you. I guess it came with the job or something.
No.
Church talk, I've been working there.
I've not done anything of work all day today. So you know what that means. When I go home, problems. Well, you're technically working. You remember them? Do you remember me? You remember me? You remember me? Kitty, I look pristine. Don't like your belly rub? Get so big. Come here. Good morning, guys. My background looks so cluttered, but don't mind the stuff in the background. But it's Thursday morning. But it's actually afternoon. It's afternoon. It's like a little after 12, like about 12:20. I'm about to make a smoothie because I can't be bothered to like think of what to eat, and a smoothie is always an easy option because I don't have to think about it too much. I kind of want some coffee too, so I might make like a chai latte and a smoothie with like frozen bananas and peanut butter for some protein. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling like right now. But I don't really have much to do today. I was actually supposed to go on like this thing. Like somebody had reached out to me, like a brand had reached out and they had like a little experience thing today. But I kind of decided to, you know, decline on it after thinking about it, because I mean, I'm grateful for people for reaching out to me, but at the same time it's like it's not a paid opportunity and I have to find my way there. And I was like, it's gonna cost me to find my way there, like it's not happening. But anyways, you guys would have seen, hold on, let me just start like getting my coffee and stuff together and then we can talk about yesterday. So yesterday with the handover that we did up in my mom's country, you guys would have seen like a little bit of, you know, a bunch of people. The people that were like there were basically my old co-workers and stuff, and I used to work with the minister and those people. So like after we had like the little handover, we kind of hung out in the constituency for a little bit, and then we came home after. As I was saying, I haven't really seen them since I had left my last job, which was like from December. So it was nice kind of seeing them again and hanging out and stuff, like old times. So I have my chai latte. I kind of need to get back some mason jars. This is an old, I don't even know what was in this, but this is like an old plastic jar. I used to have mason jars I used to drink my coffee in, but I broke it, so I need to get back some. But it's my chai latte. It's not cafe dolces like the one that I told you about, but that one's bomb. But this is the closest thing I get to a cafe dolce chai latte. And then I have my smoothie, which is like the perfect size because it's like not too big, you know. Gym body, loading. I'm gonna go do some work, guys, later. Guys, so I have a random question. Has anybody ever tried ordering from Ikea and shipping to Jamaica? Like, has anybody ever tried doing that? Because I don't know, I've been so traumatized with like shopping out here for home stuff. Like, it's so expensive, and it's like you find a cost or a price and you're like, okay, I think this is reasonable, and then you go online and then it's just like, when I say online, I mean like in the US, like US stores, and then you're just like, I'm being ripped off. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of ridiculous. Like, it's traumatizing. And I saw somebody post the same chair that I bought from Active. I don't remember how much I bought it from Active for, but it was like 15, I think, 15k or 13 or something like that, right? And they posted the exact same chair in Target, was it? I think it was Target or Marshall's, one of them, and the chair was like $39. $39. Do you guys understand like how big a profit margin that is? Like, that's ridiculous. So I'm traumatized, and then guys, I'm traumatized. And then like I've been looking for like mirrors for my room, because I know I mentioned to you guys that I wanted to put like, well, I don't know if I mentioned it directly, but I've been wanting to put a mirror, or thinking to put like one of those round hanging type mirrors. above my desk, and mirrors here are very expensive. I don't know why they're so expensive, but they are. And the cost that I've been seeing, the cheapest one I've seen so far is like $15,000 for like a round mirror. I don't remember if it come with like a chain to hang it, but it's like one of those round mirrors with like the gold frame. 15,000, but I don't know what the size of the mirror is, right? That's the catch, because I saw it on a store online here in Jamaica on their Instagram page. But then I was looking on Ikea last night, and then you're seeing mirrors from like $14 to like, of course, like 80 something dollars or whatever the cost is, or like 100 and something. But it's just to say, like, I can find the exact mirror that I'm looking for $49 on Ikea. And I tried to see if I could ship it to Florida, because my mailing box, my US mailbox is in Florida. So I was trying to see if I could mail it there, and it doesn't allow you to mail mirrors apparently. You can only do pickups. So I just wanted to know if anybody has ever tried to, like, you know, ship stuff from Ikea to Jamaica. But they did have like some lights, like wall lights, and they were pretty reasonable compared to the cost out here. But like shipping, I could definitely ship those to Florida, but most of the things that I tried to see if I could ship them to Florida, I can't. So I'm just trying to figure out, like, what have you guys done, like if you're living here and you've ever tried to like ship anything, because you know Ikea is like one of the cheapest home goods places. So I was just wondering, because I was like looking through Ikea last night, seeing what I could find. I really wish I could get the mirror, but I don't know how I would get it. Like, I really don't know how I would get it. But it was so cheap. It was like $49 for like the mirror that I want, like the exact type of mirror that I want. I'm gonna put a picture right here so you guys can see, but I'm just like so traumatized by like Jamaica and just how expensive it is here. Like, everything is just so expensive. I haven't shown you guys my TV. So this is my TV that I bought from PriceSmart. You guys would have seen that. Ignore the mess on the table, but I put the table here temporarily so I could put the TV on it. The TV isn't screwed up properly to the stands, you know, the little foot stand things that it comes with, like at the sides. It isn't screwed up properly, but I do plan on mounting it, as you guys know, like on the wall. I have the markings and everything on the walls for where it should go. This marking is where the door is gonna stop, the sliding door, and then right here is the center of the wall, starting from here to here. So I was just measuring to see how wide this was and where the center falls, so I would know how to fit the TV. So I wouldn't want the TV to be centered right here, so that's the plan, so that it would have equal spaces on the sides when the door is open. So that's what those markings are, and I marked it because I was like, I'm gonna paint anyways, so it should be fine. But this is a TV. It's pretty big. I don't know if it looks big on camera, but it's a decent size, like a pretty decent size TV, and I think when it goes up on the wall it's gonna look even bigger. This is my mom's fan that I've stolen, by the way. I've stolen her standing fan. As you know, our house has ceiling fans, and my ceiling fan doesn't work very well, like it's not that cool, so I've been having to use her standing fan. But the standing fan is what she uses for work. So she's been threatening me about her fan, but shh, we have the fan, so don't tell her, okay? Don't tell her I have the fan. But my TV looks good, y'all. Of course, you know, all of this shit's gonna look very different very soon. Like, I can't wait.
You're touching the air. No, I was trying to see from your touch. How would you say them on from YouTube? Where the release forms. Yeah? Okay. Period. Okay. Black belt. Sorry. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Period. You're interrupting my apologies. Please proceed. Hi. Oh, you're on the side. Welcome to welcome back to my channel. Before you watch any of my content, please like, share, and subscribe, even though you don't know what I'm gonna say.
Oh, hold on.
John, you have something to say to the channel?
No, I just wanted to say hi to you too. Like, share, and subscribe. Remember to hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
The notification
Right.
bell.
Yeah, hit the bell for the notifications.
Yes.
Because, you know, we have to defeat the algorithm. So,
Anything to add?
No, that's it.
That's it.
I just wanted to be on it.
You just want it to be it's a
At
feature.
AAYDOH. Follow me. I don't post very often, but when I do, it's fun. So, it's really nuts.
Not it's not worth it. Yes. Back to the game.
I think it's you now. Ashley now. Ashley's your turn. Yeah.
I might go snap it with you.
Not so early. Is croissants yet?
No man, actually.
Is it though?
Wow.
Who's next?
God damn, that's ambitious.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Jamie. I'll be fucked it up on the side.
From the 1 year.
You can take from Sahai?
Can I?
You can. As long as it's not from up here, you're fine. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Who went first again?
Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Okay. All right. All right.
Saturday afternoon, early afternoon, it's like after 12, and we are on our way to hopefully pick up sushi for me. Head to my dad to check out some stuff with the car because my dad's a mechanic. I think I mentioned that before on my channel, but he's a mechanic. And then we're gonna go to Active after because you know the vibe. So that's what we have planned for today. I want to go to the gym later as well because I actually didn't get to go to the gym yesterday or the day before because of everything that I had to get done during the day. So I really want to make it today and tomorrow to kind of make up for that. So that's what I have planned for today. But guys, you would have noticed that my vlogs have been going up late on Sundays, honestly, because I was having issues with like the file format that I was exporting my vlogs in and the upload time. But the vlog should be up a lot sooner from this one going forward. And I also think I'm gonna start my filming on Saturday so I can start editing, because sometimes I do record on a Sunday. So I think I'm just gonna stop on Saturday and then start back the next day so that I can edit and have the vlogs up on time. I'm really aiming for a 3 p.m. upload time on Sundays. So I'm hoping now that I figured out the issue with my late uploads, I can be back on track and you can actually do. You don't want to expect my vlogs on Sundays. So give thanks for the small things. You know? Mom, do you have anything to add? No, she doesn't have anything to add.
It's good to be alive.
Amen, sister. So yeah, that's what's happening today. I need to lotion my skin. My skin is ashy. That's why my name is Ashley, guys. I'm ashy. But I'm excited for this sushi. I just hope these people answer me because I wanted, like, it's at this new sushi place named Koi Sushi. Y'all know I've been wanting to go to Ocean or Jamaica, but do you want to eat lunch today or no? You're not trying to sit down? Yeah. I'm like, because the lady that called me a while ago, she was actually calling from that place, and I made a reservation yesterday evening for 7 o'clock, and she's calling me about a reservation today for 2, and I'm like, no, wrong person. But I'm like, can I do a walk-in today? She's like, yeah, for 2. But I don't think I wanted to do a sit down, but they do have sushi, and they're like I think they're seafood predominantly, but I haven't gone there yet to check out the menu. But I definitely want to check them out pretty soon. But there's this other place now named Koi Sushi that's new as well, but they don't do dining, but they do takeout and delivery. So I'm trying to order right now so we can just pick up, because we're like about 10-15 minutes out from the location. So I'm hoping the answer, because I will just collect it and then have it to eat while we're at my dad, because your girl hasn't had breakfast. And I mean, I feel like sushi's like healthy, you know, like it's not like super healthy. It depends on the type that you get, but it's not like super unhealthy, only like with the white rice. But I don't know, I feel like it's a healthy option. Who am I kidding? But I think it's a healthy option, like for food, if you're like going out, you know what I mean? I think I'm right. I think I'm right. But yeah, this one is a funeral home.
It's always been there, my dear.
It never did look so pretty.
They renovated.
Well, they noticed it before. You know, Pro Surgical Cares in Fontana now. My friend's plastic surgery place. He's in Fontana now, so apparently Fontana has opened up their business center. So they have like different things in the Fontana, guys. Thank God we're not going there today. Fontana looks like this every weekend. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. No, sir.
They're giving away something there.
If only they were giving away something, but they're not. That's the crazy part. Secured the bag, y'all. I don't know, it seems like everybody is fixing up them house because every door is literally out of stock. Look at that. The barn one. We saw, well, this is cheaper here. Remember we did see this at something there? Oh wait, is this available? Would this be the hollow one? Would it? But yeah, all of these are like out of stock. Wait, mommy, you see the top one is not. The bottom one, it's out of stock, but it's the size that I want out of stock. You see? 26 by 80. Yeah, 30 by 80. You see? Is what I want, yeah. Mommy taking out the tape measure for me. This is what? 32. 32, but those are wide. The one at home I think was 30. Which means I probably can get a 32. Pretty wide, but they don't have this in 32. This is what my door is gonna look like. Sliding doors, right? Yeah, but I don't have to use both. I can just use one.
One thing.
It's one bracket. You can put 2 doors on it, but you don't have to. You can use one. Thinking of possibly getting this one. It's very cool. The light isn't that bright, but I might have to change the bulb.
I see it.
Yeah, the shade.
3-blade thing, you know?
Yeah, I wanted a 3-blade. The 3 blades are better. They said the 3 blades push better. I think I might get this, guys. So this is 19,000. So I think I might get this. The cheapest one I've seen at Active so far. To Active, and the doors, all of the doors that I would have wanted are basically sold out, and went to Phil's. Don't really have anything where I'm really feeling, and we're now headed to Rapid to see if they have any doors, because mommy's buying my door for me.